Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can add money to your Robinhood debit card. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Robinhood app and then click on this cash icon or this card icon at the bottom of your screen, right left to the profile icon. And on this screen, if you have sign up for the spending account, you will see this similar interface. From here, you have to click on this transfer money. After that, you will be able to see the similar screen. From here, users have to select the from account. So click on this from section. Then you have to select the account where you want to transfer your money. So from which account you want to transfer. And in the to section, you have to click on it and you have to select the spending account because any money you add in your spending account will be used as your debit card money. So if you want to add money in a debit card, you have to add money in your Robinhood spending account. To select the spending account from here, enter the amount and then click on transfer button. And once you do that, your deposit will be initiated and your money will be available in short period of time. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.